Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Moringa powder at home. First, let's talk about harvesting. Choose only the freshest, healthiest leaves from your Moringa tree. The best time to gather them is in the morning, after any dew has evaporated. Make sure to avoid any leaves that look damaged or discolored. For a good starting batch, aim for about 2 to 3 cups of fresh leaves. Once you have your leaves, it's time for cleaning and drying. Gently rinse them under cool, running water to remove any dirt or debris. Then, spread the leaves out in a single layer on a clean cloth or a mesh drying rack. It's crucial to dry them in a well-ventilated, shaded spot, away from direct sun. This process can take several days until they are completely brittle. Now for the exciting part, grinding your dried leaves into powder. First, make sure all the leaves are completely dry and brittle, then remove any remaining stems. Use a clean coffee grinder or a powerful blender. Grind the leaves in small batches to ensure you get a very fine, consistent powder. Keep grinding until it's smooth and there are no large pieces left. Finally, let's talk about storing your homemade Moringa powder. It's essential to store it in an airtight container to protect its freshness and nutrients. Keep this container in a cool, dark place, away from light and heat. When stored correctly, your powder can maintain its potency for several months. You can easily add 1 to 2 teaspoons daily to your smoothies or various meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.